Let's draw a machine, the digger machine. So this is the drawing. We just make the basic appearance. Now we put a rectangle on top of it, then another rectangle here. This is going to be the roof. Now we can draw the window here, and on the back of it another small window. All right, then we extend it up to here, and this line we extend it here. With that window we can draw another one here like this. All right, so now we are going to draw a wheel under it. Let's put another small circle here. Other wheel is little bigger than the previous one. Then a smaller circle inside it and a center circle. On top of the wheel we can draw the body like this. All right, and draw a parallel line like this. There's a headlight in front, and the machine of the digger part is here. All right, the engine's exhaust is on top here. You see, on top of it I'm drawing a exhaust. All right, let's draw a smaller circle here. Two straight line we can draw here for the back arms. Okay, so we can see the extension. It looks like this. So this is the basic drawing of the digger machine. Let's connect the points here with this one, and under the wheel we can draw the soil. This is the basic shape. If we make a color, then let's start with a special color. Let's see if this works. Yes, this is going to be a nice color. Let's fill up all the parts. As you can see that I'm putting the colors on the outside skins of the truck only. For the wheel, we can draw some spikes like this around it. These are the little details we need to draw. So both wheels have the spikes like this to the periphery. All right. We can put the darker color for the spikes. As you can see, the dark spikes you see here, we take a time. Now we can use the dark pencils. All right. So you can see the wheel is almost done. For the glass, we can put the blue color. The other parts is going to be the orange color. So let's put the orange for the lights here, for the front part. And for the other side, it's the back part or the rear digger part. This kind of soil digger are used in constructions of the buildings or any landscapes or for the road constructions. So now this thing looks really nice. For the ground, under this you can put a dark deep color with the crayon. All right, so this is a really nice drawing. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. You can do the practice. If you like, please subscribe and put the bell icons on so that you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.